70% chance that depression could form tomorrow or tomorrow night. Bottom line, though, the main moisture with this system is going to be heading toward the mid and lower Texas coastline, although we can't rule out a few tropical rain bands moving in across the area tomorrow. Also Friday, we'll show you that in just a bit. Out in the Atlantic, we have Hurricane Helene, subtropical storm Joyce. That's the new one. The next name up will be Kirk, but we don't see that happening in the Gulf right now. Hurricane Florence, obviously, and Tropical Storm Isaac we'll keep an eye on. So as we zoom on in, again, Isaac not looking too terribly good at this point. Actually, the low-level circulation, as I move this over, is right here. So there's not much convection going on with the center of this storm as it continues to move westward. And we'll take a look at the forecast track on Isaac in just a bit. But the big story is Florence, and some good news. We'll temper it. This is a very large storm, but the intensity around the center has diminished. Southwesterly shear has been taking a toll on the hurricane, so now officially down to a Category 2 storm. You can see just during the course of that loop, you don't see that well-developed eye that we saw earlier, and this is a 12-hour loop here. So Category 2, 110-mile-an-hour winds, expected to remain a Cat 2, but a very large storm through landfall that starts beginning late tomorrow night and may take another 24 hours before it weakens below hurricane status, and then eventually does a number that's going to follow the European model, and we'll show you that in just a bit. But nonetheless, all of the Carolina coastline under the gun. We have hurricane warnings from extreme northeastern portions of South Carolina all the way up through much of North Carolina. Inland hurricane watches and tropical storm warnings, but anything that is covered completely in red, those are hurricane warnings that go in effect for a good part of eastern North Carolina. And this is where the surge is going to be the worst. That part of North Carolina, surge as high as 9 to 14 feet in spots, maybe a little bit lower now that the wind field is reduced just a bit, but it's a large wind field and slow moving storm, so it's going to be gathering a pretty good surge as it moves inland. So here's the European model showing landfall very close to Wilmington. This is very close to the National Hurricane Center position. Again, this is just a model. It's not the official forecast, but it gives you an idea on the organization of the storm, the heavy rainfall that will be pounding the Carolinas, and then eventually working its way back to the north through the spine of the Appalachians. So there's going to be massive flash flooding, and then eventually the storm winds up in the northeast. Still a potent storm and getting some jet stream energy down the line. So here's the rainfall based on the European model. Again, not an official forecast, but it gives you an idea. When the model starts going for 20 or 30 inches of rain, it's going to be a serious situation, and it's going to be equal to maybe what we saw with Harvey. Why? Well, it was a flat spot in Houston. Here you have mountains, so you're going to have major raging flash floods in spots. So we'll be watching this very closely for our friends to the north. Meanwhile, Isaac, void of the deep convection, as we indicated, on the margins of being a tropical storm. Hurricane Center maintains a westerly run. We'll keep an eye on it. Not overly concerned. This will be a minor tropical storm over the next 5 days. After that, it might turn to the north and may continue to Central America, may head for the Gulf of Mexico, but we're not concerned about it right now. None of the models indicate anything big getting into the Gulf. So near term through tomorrow morning, relatively quiet. Then tropical showers work their way inland tomorrow afternoon. Some gusty winds like some of the storms we saw today, and some pretty cool pictures as well. Check out my Facebook page. And then as we head into tomorrow evening, things quiet down. We'll go 50% on your rain chances tomorrow, about 40% for Friday, and thereafter looking much better. That disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico, though, will make for the winds picking up a little bit offshore in the Gulf. The rest of this will populate at some point, but you get the idea. Here's the wind grid out in the Gulf of Mexico indicating breezy conditions offshore, and that